Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda Odosen. I am a digital business coach and I help beginners learn how to create, market and sell digital products using AI and paid advertising, even without a large social media following. On this channel, I share practical tutorials on digital products, affiliate marketing, e-commerce and online sales. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to write an ebook and design a professional ebook cover from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll be creating an ebook titled The Beginner's Guide to Starting Hair Braiding Business for Kids and Adults. By the end of this video, you will see how easy it is to generate your ebook content, create a beautiful cover and turn everything into a finished PDF that you can upload and sell online. You don't need to be a professional writer or a graphic designer to follow this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. We are going to be using ChatGPT for this tutorial. And first and foremost, you need to first of all sign up on ChatGPT if you haven't done that already. So we are going to begin by logging into our ChatGPT account. First, we are going to have a separate Word document where we have all our prompts. So I have created a separate Word document where all our prompts is written down. For the purpose of this training, I will be using the Word document to store our prompt. The first prompt will create the first PDF document for us, and the second prompt will help us to design the book cover. So we are going to create a beginner-friendly ebook titled The Beginner's Guide to Starting a Hair Braiding Business for Kids and Adults, including hairstyle examples, startup costs, pricing, marketing tips, and practical example with action steps. So all we need to do is copy this prompt. So prompt is the instruction you give to your AI model where it says what is on your mind. This is where we are going to copy our prompt. Before now, you have your prompt written down somewhere. I have mine written down on a Word document, which I'm going to copy from the Word document and then bring it onto ChatGPT. This is my prompt. My prompt says create a beginner-friendly ebook titled The Beginner's Guide to Starting a Hair Braiding Business for Kids and Adults, including hairstyle examples, startup costs and pricing, marketing tips, as well as practical examples. We are going to upload on ChatGPT to give us our desired output. Head over to your ChatGPT now, paste the instruction or the prompt, click here on enter. So you can change the title, you can change the topic. In the description, you can find 100 ChatGPT prompts where you can download and use. Okay, so you can create an ebook on any niche, on catering, on fashion, on fitness, on any topic that you understand. So once that has been done, this has been generated for us. The next thing we need to do is go ahead to review it. You check that everything is done correctly. The next thing is we are going to convert this into a PDF document. Okay, we are going to say, give it a different prompt saying convert into a colored PDF document. So we are going ahead to convert this into a colored PDF document because this is what we are going to upload on our store. Now I have a video which I'm going to share the link below the description of this video where you can upload this digital product. It's called How to Set Up Your Selar Store. So that is a store where you can sell your digital product. So this is going to take a while. We're going to have to wait. give it a while for it to convert. So here we have it. Our PDF is ready. We'll go ahead to view the PDF. So this is exactly what it looks like. We have everything that has been included. We have the introduction, we have the pricing as well, we have the services, how to market your braiding business. Every information needed to start up a braiding business is included here for us. So we are going to go ahead to say, because there are no pictures on this, we are going to go ahead to include pictures in the just generated PDF document so that we give our customers something to look at. Close it, and then we're going to give it another prompt that says include pictures, sample pictures, okay, of different braids in the document. So you can go ahead to improve the content if you are not satisfied with what has been generated for you. You can remove things, you can add things, just the way I am adding more details into the PDF document. So you can always modify your document to ensure that this is exactly what you want to see. It has generated for us different photo samples that will be included in our PDF document. So you can also include a disclaimer in your document, especially if the ebook discusses children, hair products, allergies, scalp conditions, and hygiene. AI can help you write faster, but you are still responsible for checking the information before you sell the ebook. Now that our image has been generated, we are going to give another prompt to include these images inside the PDF document. In the PDF document and regenerate. So now we have our PDF generated for us again, but this time it includes the images that was previously generated by ChatGPT. Let's go ahead to review it and see exactly what we have here. So you can see we have here the images included. We also have the images, different styles for the adult, and we have every other information that is needed. Now we are satisfied with what has been generated for us. We'll go ahead to generate our design. So for us to design the cover, we need to give it another prompt if we intend to design it on ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT to give us a design cover perfect for this particular ebook. Head over to our Word document where we have the prompt. We are going to work with the second prompt. So the second prompt says design a premium purple, gold, and white ebook with realistic pictures of kids and adults braiding hairstyles. It should have a clean typography and a professional cover and interior layout. Okay, so this is exactly what the ebook should cover, but then we have to make it in form of a 3D. It should be in 3D, and our layout, it should be portrait. So let's make our layout portrait. Now we are going to copy this prompt. We are going to head over to ChatGPT where we are going to upload our prompt. Paste the prompt here and generate the cover image. Click on enter. So this is going to take quite some time, but then Once that has been done, we're going to have our cover image ready. So here we have it. It has generated for us 2 different cover designs. Okay, and with these cover designs, we can then go ahead to choose which one we want to go with. Here are the different cover designs. So let's try the second one. Go ahead to download this one. For you to download your images on ChatGPT, simply click on the images, or you click on the download icon at the top of your ChatGPT panel. Click there on download image. So now that the image has been downloaded, the next prompt is for us to combine the cover photo alongside with the PDF which we generated, so that we have a single file. We are going to give another prompt that says combine both the cover as well as the PDF into one single PDF document. We have to choose which one we want to combine with, which particular one we want to combine with. So we are going to check the first one because that is the one that we are obviously going with. So we are going to go along to check for the first one we downloaded, which is this one. We'll upload it here. Combine both this cover so that we know exactly that this is the cover we are referring to, because remember it generated for us 2 different covers, but we're only going with one. Okay, and we are going to enter. We allow it to work on it and then regenerate for us the full PDF document, the cover together with the content. Our PDF is ready. Let's go ahead to open this PDF. This is exactly what it looks like. If we go ahead to download it so that we view it better. Okay, we can open it here as a file. This is exactly what we get. This is what our PDF document looks like. We first of all have the cover. We also have the beginner's guide, and we also have the introduction, as well as the different content that we had previously generated. That is all for how to create a digital product. I'm going to make this digital product downloadable and available to you. If you want to access the 100 ChatGPT prompts, I have it also available where you can download it. I'll be sharing the link here below the description of this video, so do well to check it out. Now that we have generated our ebook, do well to go through it to ensure that everything is done correctly. Check grammar error, check that the images are clear enough before you upload it. Remember, simply creating an ebook does not guarantee sales. You still need a clear product description, the right audience, and a marketing strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Check the description below for free guide containing high converting digital product ideas and 100 ChatGPT prompts to help you create your first digital product. I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.